In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email address in Slack. If you've ever switched companies, updated your personal details, or just need a cleaner inbox, changing the email tied to your Slack account is straightforward once you know where to look. We'll walk through two paths: the quick update from your profile and the account settings route if the email field is locked by your workspace policies. Start by opening Slack on desktop. Look to the bottom left corner of the app and click your profile icon. This opens your personal menu. From there, select Profile. Your profile is where Slack keeps your basic information visible to teammates. On this page, find the Contact Information section and click Edit. This is the spot where you can update details like phone and email. If the email field is open and editable, go ahead and make your change here. This is the simplest route, and it works in many workspaces. Now, sometimes you'll see that the email line is locked or grayed out. That simply means your workspace manages email at the account level. No problem, there's another way. In the left pane of the app, click Admin. This takes you to the administrative and workspace tools you have access to. Next, click Workspace Settings. You're moving from your profile into the broader account configuration area. From here, look back to the bottom left and click your account name. That opens your personal account menu. Choose Account Settings. This is the centralized place where Slack stores sign-in and security details for your account. On this page, you can update your email address directly. Slack will ask you to enter your current password first, which is a normal security check to confirm it's really you making the change. After that, enter your new email address. This ensures the email attached to your Slack login and notifications is the one you prefer. There you go. That's all. To recap, you either edit your email right from your profile under Contact Information, or, if it's locked, you switch to the admin area, open Workspace Settings, click your account name at the bottom left, go into Account Settings, enter your password, and then type in your new email address. Keep in mind, the email you choose will be used for sign-in and for important Slack updates. If you don't see these options or the fields remain locked, your organization may manage emails centrally, so reaching out to your workspace administrator is the best next step. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your Slack email with confidence.